Oh, you got Ether out there. How about XRP? Can you answer that?
I can't.
Thank you so much for the question. It's very nice to see you. The biggest opportunity is, which I want to start with, is the fact that we can actually see this technology grow. We can see this technology flourish. We have traditional financial infrastructure that's wanted to come into tokenization, that's wanted to come into digital assets, and they've been hamstrung a bit because of the regulatory environment. We have a stablecoin bill that's been proposed here. Hopefully we can get that pushed through. We can get market structure through. I think it just opens the floodgates of innovation with respect to traditional financial infrastructure, and even those companies that aren't in the finance.
How about XRP? Can you answer that?
I can't.
Sector that want to leverage this technology. I think the risk is that we all that we don't stay grounded in what the value of it is. We need to stay grounded to the opportunities that this technology presents, that the digital assets. Thank you so much for the question. It's very nice to see you. The biggest opportunity is...
Guys, this is Denelli Dixon. She spoke at the U.S. House Committee on Financial Services. She took them to school.
Which I want to start with, is the fact that we can actually see this technology grow.
We can see this technology grow, innovation, revolution, how XLM will shape the future of finance. Also, Larry Fink won't comment on does BlackRock have XRP ETF in mind?
Can't.
How about XRP? Can you answer that?
I can't.
BlackRock can't comment on that. Oh man, that means get some XRP.
You don't want me to.
You don't want you to. I will. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm going to show you some XRP assets tonight that are my top picks that you must have before Christmas. Christmas is coming early. I'm not a financial advisor. I've been creating crypto content since 2017, 8 years in digital assets. The assets I'm going to show you tonight are a must-have.
Thank you so much for the question. It's very nice to see you.
Very nice to see you. Do not forget to smash that thumbs up, hit that subscribe. Stellar, the new guardian of the U.S. dollar, global dominance, from Angelica at Angel, YHVH. You're not recognizing the monumental impact Stellar is set to have. You didn't catch the moment the Stellar CEO, Denelli Dixon, dropped it, boom, on the hearing. She let it slip that Stellar is strengthening in the U.S. dollar's position in the global economy. To understand this, we must revisit the Bretton Woods Conference of 1944, where the U.S. dollar was anointed as the world's reserve currency. Fast forward, and the dollar found another pillar of support in oil, giving the rise of the petroleum system. Now, in this twist of the financial fate, the U.S. dollar is being forfeited by stablecoins on the Stellar network. Moreover, Velo has been built on Stellar network, and its stablecoin USDV is backed by BlackRock's Build Fund. Woo! Angelica's on fire. Can't wait to have her on the show. I've been talking with her. Come on, Angelica. Which tokenizes the U.S. Treasury bill via securitized. Stellar is not merely supporting the U.S. dollar, it is catalyzing its strength through stablecoins, thereby creating a global demand that keeps the dollar stable across 180 countries. This is just another financial maneuver and is tantamount to the modern day Bretton Woods Conference, but this time it's all happening on the blockchain. So if you're not bullish on Stellar, perhaps you should reconsider your perspective given Stellar's role in the dollar supremacy. Woo! Good Lord, Angelica, that's some fire right there. That's for sure. Did I retweet this? I liked it. I gotta retweet that. Yeah, you ain't lying. Way to go on that right there. Shout out to Angelica. Guys, here it is right here. XPM is on fire. XPM about to bust in the top 10. After that, the top 5. Gain train has been here for XPM, which runs on XRP. 30 days ago, I said load your XPM bag. I said Xmas was coming early through Xpmarket. And on Xpmarket, the hidden gems have been on fire. And if you guys don't know, XRP is open source technology. Xpmarket is built on top of XRP. So mentally, in my mind, this is XRP 2.0. which I call XPM, which is the token for Xpmarket, it's been on fire for the last 30 days. 7% on the daily. It was 0.02 when I said get some. XPM now is at 0.07, up 7% on the daily. XPM is up 40% on the weekly. XPM is up 240% on the monthly. Like I said on last night's surprise live stream, we go live all the time. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell. The other channels you watch today, they're not calling gains at 240% in under a 30-day period. If your portfolio is not melting right now, you're watching the wrong channel. Smash that subscribe. We're on our way to 100K subscribers. We're on our way to 1 million. That's our goal for 2025. I call it the mission to 1 million. We're doing the 90-day fitness challenge. Day 10, second 90-day fitness challenge. The market is red. It's consolidating on Xpmarket. This is your Xpmarket, which is parallel to maybe crypto.com, or not crypto.com, but CoinMarketCap, where you see your assets, but all these run on XRP. Now, XPM is at spot number 11, about to push in the top 10. Drop is consolidating. I'm going to show you guys the up-to-date prices in a momentarily. Bear token they're talking about. Army has been on fire. It's number 3. Quorum is number 2. Solo number 1. XRPH is in there, number 9. So if you go to the next one, this is Xpmarket's charts. It's up 40% in 1 week, 243% in 1 month, 3 month 439%, 6 month 422%. Right now Xpm is ranked number 11. The total supply is only 488 million. This is why I'm so bullish and loading up on Xpm, because that's a very low supply. It's under 1 billion. It's in the millions. So far there's 5,000 holders. And this token has so much potential. We're just getting started. Guys, I'm at the same major love to the Bullish family.
Family taking pictures.
Matter of fact, we're going to end with this because right now we're on fire with this XPM news. I want to keep it going with that, because actually, I just want to actually get to the Xpmarket right now to cap off what we're talking about. So on Xpmarket, this is their Twitter. Xpmarket is an exciting XRPL platform blending GameFi and DeFi, simplifying how you trade and manage digital assets on XRP. So there, basically, guys, here's another thing, quick story about Xpmarket. When we first found Xpmarket 30 days ago, I put XRP in the pool at 50 cents and XPM in the pool at 2 cents. XRP rocketed to $3. My XPM rocketed to 7 cents. So do you realize what my pool rocketed? 4x. Not a financial advisor. What was you doing 30 days ago if you never watched this show before? There are active XRPL airdrops right now on Xpmarket. I really like the feature with the airdrops also. You can see any popular tokens or a token that you might think be popular. You set a trust line for it, they'll drop you like 70,000 of them just by setting a trust line. Matter of fact, I'll make a video on that, guys. We talk about Xpmarket every day. Tomorrow's XPM farming pool is loaded and ready. And I'm ready to claim some of them rewards. I'm actually earning XPM daily through daily task on the wallet. It's similar to what Crypto.com does under their missions. You can earn like a diamond a day on Crypto.com. Where here you actually earn XPM. Like you can earn 10 a day. XPM. Make sure you join Xpmarket. Maybe you should actually accept more tokens for free airdrops. Okay, so you're just talking about airdrops with the Xpmarket. I really like this. Now they're doing a golden check mark on the assets on Xpmarket. I think all assets should get a check mark to verify that they're authentic. I think that's a really good idea. Oh, this is what you want to do on Xpmarket. You're going to hit xpmarket.com. It's going to take you to their website. Let me get this video up. It's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. We're still going to put it up tonight. I was going to set the video to go up at 6 in the morning, but I like waking up and seeing views. So you go to the top XRPL tokens. There's so much to do in here. We'll show the swap and all. This is so beautiful right now. This is what you want in crypto. You want to see red. If you want to make money in crypto, you want to buy the dip. Now listen, we've been buying all the way up and going up. Now this is when you want to wait till you hit the bottom and then buy. And the next thing you know, woo, to the moon we go. Thank God, finally a correction and consolidation. So this is beautiful. This is price discovery. This is what it's all about, because drop is going to run to 100. Right now it's 15.89. 5.89 on drop. 1589 on drop. So right now drop is $15. It'll cost you $6.41, 6 XRP to buy one drop. XRPH is 17 cents. It's 0.07 XRP. Right now XPM is 0.07, so it's 0.03 XRP. And XPM is knocking on number 10's door. Let me show you my buddy Britto challenge. It's been on fire. It's still green, pumping 4% right now. Britto is on fire. Britto is on fire. Okay, so Britto is up 887% on the monthly. Britto is on fire. This is our Britto challenge. I'll show you what I mean on how this hit the gain train. Okay, so if you want to say you want 1,000 XPM. 1,000 XPM will cost you $75. I actually burned 1,000 XPM. This is how I know that. I sent 1,000 XPM to someone, a friend of mine, which it was $20 at the time, and I burned 1,000. That's $150. So I basically sent 1,000 XPM to a friend last month. It was $20 value. I was gonna send him another 1,000. I was just checking out the cryptos for giveaways and see what I was gonna do, because I was gonna put 1,000 up for giveaways, and I didn't realize that was $75 now. I was like, whoa. So I was kind of floored that the value of that jumped so high from what's $20 per 1,000 to $75 per 1,000. That's impressive. So it makes me wish I would have issued the 5,000 for 100 XPM challenge. But I recommend that you at least get 1,300. That's about $100. That breaks my heart. That's almost, what, 3,000 less now? Wait, for 3 weeks ago, you could have got 5,000 for 100. That's why you want to get your crypto now before it's too late. Let's look at Britto really quick. Now this is impressive. I actually said get 100K Britto. It was $2.50. Because when I found Britto, I could not believe 100K was $2. Because it was 100K. 100K Britto was $2, and now it's $26. So if you want 500K Britto, it is $132. I recommend the 500K. But actually, no, I think where it's official, we're doing a 350K challenge on Britto, which is $92 to 100. I'm actually going to write that down, because they're talking about that in our Telegram group. It's 350 Britto. So that's going to be the 350K Britto challenge for $100. It's going to go down in history right now. 350K. But good God, could have got $1 million. Could have got $1 million for so cheap, not even a couple weeks ago. But you're still gonna get 350K. But if you want to get what, 900K Britto, let's see how much that is. 900K, 238. 900K Britto could change your life. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just documenting my journey, but I want to manifest this for 2025, a Bullzilla green, my favorite color, Ferrari. My XRP, XPM, and Britto bag will buy me this in 2025. I'm going to manifest this, and my frequencies turns all the way up. Crypto retirement, incoming, and international bullish family. 1, 2, 3, number 1. Paul Barron had the founder of Xpmarket on the show. It's the best performing video that Paul Barron ever had. It's on fire. The Xpmarket founder reminds me of Dave Schwartz. He's very intelligent. Now they're also having the Xaman wallet, XRPL Labs, Xaman wallet on Paul Barron.
It's been pretty crazy. I just actually pulled up the statistics before coming here. In the past 30 days, we have had 283,000 active users.
Wow.
283 active users.
So the new user rate even isn't that high. What's really nice is seeing all of the holders, their assets on Xaman for 3 years coming back and
Oh, Xaman. Okay, it sounds. See, I always know that when I said Xaman, it sounds weird when I say it as an American, Xaman. But now when he says it from the Netherlands, it sounds more proper. The Xaman wallet.
together with how the market is going, we've seen an insane uptick in support tickets. We've seen an insane for 3 years coming back, and together with how the market is going, we've seen an insane uptick in user rate even isn't that high. What's really nice is seeing all of the holders, their assets on Xaman for 3
Xaman.
years coming back, and together with how the market is going, we've seen an insane uptick in
insane optic. I like the way this guy talks. I'm gonna have to reach out to him and get him on the show. Xaman Wild with Robert Curry. Definitely. I reached out to Weedsay Win and talk about the new features that they put on the Xaman Wallet. I'm looking to hear back from Weedsay Win. Guys, let me know what you think about the quick videos. Make sure you comment on the video. I hope all has an amazing day today. Happy Monday. Hope everybody has an amazing day. Don't forget to smash that like